Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can report spam and block spam emails on Gmail. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. Spam emailers are basically a bunch of different bots that keep sending for you emails, probably advertisements and stuff that you signed up for. You're going to get spammed up a lot of them, so just next time you need to make sure that you do not sign up for anything that you don't know. So how we can do this is actually you're going to launch up Gmail. Now, from Gmail, you're going to select the specific email that you want to not get emails from, or you want to report in spam. And after that, you're going to click on once you hold on it for once, you're going to click on the three dots on the bottom right. Okay, and after that, you're going to click on report spam. Okay, and then you're going to click on report spam and unsubscribe. Okay, now once you click on this, some of the emails you won't get unsubscribed, but I'm just saying. Now, if you don't get any unsubscribe email, you're going to click on the three dots again, and you're going to click on mute. After that, I don't want to mute it, but after that, any email that you're going to get from that specific email, you're never going to get it again, and you've actually successfully stopped the spam. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.